Another minibus on my right. Check that side. And then now I'm through. Today I'm in the beautiful Zimbabwe in the city of Harare, and I'm going to show you how to drive in this town safely. As you can see, it's quite busy around here. So right now we're at the red lights, and you're going to see sometimes people will go past the red light. So as you go through, you're going to be very careful to make sure that no one's coming through from the other side. And there'll be pedestrians in the way as well, so gotta watch out for them too. But most of them will move out the way, as you'll see throughout the video. And right now I'm at this red light, but there's no stop line, so you have to kind of judge where to stop. It's going green now, so you see that car came in quite late. And this road here has got 2 lanes. The markings are not very clear, so you just have to be very careful how you're positioned. And you want to be checking your mirrors a lot as well. Let's turn right the next light. So I'm going to check on the signal, check my mirror, go into this lane, and we're going to turn right here. So we've got pedestrians in the way again, but the light is still green for us. So these guys are stopping. And then we'll just wait here until it's time for us to turn. Just waiting for a big gap there. So they're going to get a red light potentially, or we'll see a big gap. But at the moment, it looks like we have to wait until they get a red light because it's very busy. So some of them are stopping, but you see this one came through. That's why you got to be careful. So if some of them stop, still watch out for any more that might come through flying fast. And right now it's quite busy. Let me change lanes so I can just go past these guys. Let's go deeper into town actually, where it's busier, so I can show you. I'll turn right here. I'm going to try to go across these guys. I'm going to make eye contact. The thing about driving in Zimbabwe, you have to be a little bit aggressive as well. Otherwise, you're not going to get through. So the first time I drove here, it was quite hard because I was trying to be really nice and, you know, careful. You still have to be careful, but I was trying to be slow with it. But you're not going to get anywhere that way. You're going to get people going around you as well from behind you because you're taking too long. So if it's really busy, sometimes you have to be a little bit aggressive, but still safe. And make sure you're communicating with other drivers what you're doing as well. Let's turn right here. Or should we turn left? Let's turn left. No, I'm going to turn right. It's a one-way road there, but I don't think there was a clear sign telling us it's a one-way. So here we're going to turn left. So it can seem quite chaotic when you first drive here, but after a couple of days you get used to it, especially with pedestrians walking in the road everywhere. It can feel a bit intimidating, but most of them are aware of what they're doing, so as long as you keep an eye out on what you're doing, you should be okay. And you're going to get people changing lanes suddenly, trying to go around you as well. It's like here, for instance, I'm going to go left, but it's really busy. So busy that I might actually just go straight. Let's go straight. I'm going to signal left, signal right, check the mirrors because it's very busy. This guy's letting me come out. Thank you, sir. And then we carry on. So in recent years, lots more people have cars now. So in the cities, it can get really busy. So right now it's a Monday, the first working day, the first proper working day of the new year. So it's extra busy, according to my uncle. So it makes things a bit more difficult. But most drivers here are really aware and they really know what they're doing. But you have to watch out for the few that don't know what they're doing. And also the kombi drivers, so those are the minibus drivers, they don't really respect the rules, and everyone knows that. And they know that as well. And they know that people know that. So I think they take advantage by you know, knowing that people are scared of them. Let's turn left here. Mirror, mirror. And if you're in Zimbabwe, especially in the capital, you have to use your mirrors all the time. There's going to be people, other vehicles trying to go around you a lot of the times. So before you make a turn anywhere, whether it's a little turn like this to the right, you see, you got to make sure you check the mirror first before you do that. And then in these kind of crossroads, sometimes no one really has priority, so you just have to go slowly and check both sides before going through. And you may get some junctions as well where traffic lights are not working. So like this one here, the traffic lights it's a traffic light controlled junction, but the lights are not working. So I'm just gonna go through slowly, checking both sides. Yeah, once I've made a decision, I'll make my move and go. Okay, let's turn left here. Sorry, let's turn right here. So again, it's quite chaotic, but if you are careful enough, see, I was saying to you about the minibus drivers. So I was about to turn right there, and then he came out of the blue. So I'm going to push through. There's a lady in the way. Another minibus on my right. Check that side. And then now I'm through. So the hardest part is probably turning, especially turning right, because there's going to be these kind of people that will try to go around you as you're turning as well. So you see, they push through. They drive really aggressively, these minibus drivers, so just be watchful, just be mindful of them so that you don't run them over or so that you don't hit into them. So in comparison to where I was driving earlier on the high road, this is a lot busier and a lot more hazardous. So make sure you check out the other video. If you want to see how to drive on the high roads, the ones that take you from city to city, check out this other video. But for now, let's continue to try to get through this junction where it looks like it's quite busy. We've got cars trying to go across and we're trying to go across as well. So it's just a matter of looking out for them and then going when you get a chance. So just like there, watch out for anyone coming through, so you see. They will come through when you don't expect them to, so just be mindful. So lots of learners, good luck guys. My plan was to do a lesson here as well, but I just got too busy and I didn't get a chance to. But next time I come to Zimbabwe, I think I'll do a driving lesson with one of the driving schools and show you guys how that works. Okay, so we've got this car trying to turn, but I'm just going to push through because otherwise I'll be stuck there. Sometimes when one person starts coming in, you're going to be there forever with lots of people, more people coming through. So if you get a chance to, you sometimes just have to push through if it's safe. Otherwise you're going to be there for a long time. Again, the minibus is weaving in and out, so just be mindful. I'm going to go straight here. So this lane's for going straight, that lane's for turning right. But you might see somebody turning right from that side over there. So you have to be extra careful with your mirrors and also be vigilant that people might be turning from the wrong lane. So now our light is green, but this person, see, I told you those guys are turning left, or turning right, sorry, from the wrong lane. So I just got to use my horn to let this guy know that I'm going straight because he's trying to turn from the wrong lane as well. And apparently one of these roads somewhere in town is where the president lives, so you need to be very careful not to drive there or in that or around on that road or try to get into that road at a certain time. I think it's past 6 p.m. because you will get in trouble apparently, so just be mindful that you don't drive around there past 6 p.m. And if you're parking in town, make sure that you have money to pay. I think they take card as well, I'm not sure, but make sure you've got money to pay because they're really strict on the parking here, especially in town. Anywhere else is really easy to park, but in town it's quite busy and they're really strict. And if If you park without a ticket for too long, they will clamp your car. And it's I think it's about $40 to get it released. So just be mindful. And we've got a filter light for green for right turning here. So I'm going to make my turn. And then continue. So sometimes the filter light is really hard to see. So if you're turning right, make sure you're looking out for that, and you don't hold up traffic just by staying because the light is red. The light is red for other people, not for you. So here I'm just gonna let this guy through because there's traffic there anyway, so I'm gonna let him go through. And then once he's gone, I'll continue. So there are times you have to be aggressive, but you can also like let people through. It's up to you obviously, but there was no need for me to block him there. Okay, so this was just a quick one before I head back to the airport. Next time I come here, I'm going to do a much longer video explaining all the rules and everything and how to get to different places. Otherwise guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.